Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix the "This setting is managed by your organization" message in Windows 11. The first thing to check is whether a work or school account is connected to your device. Click the Start menu and open Settings. Select Accounts from the left panel. Select Access Work or School. If you find any account connected to a workplace, school, or organization, click on it and select Disconnect. Follow the prompts to remove the account completely. When finished, restart your computer. If the problem remains, you can adjust the diagnostic data settings. Open Settings again and click Privacy and Security. Select Diagnostics and Feedback. Under Diagnostic Data, look for the current setting. If it is set to Required Diagnostic Data, change it to Send Optional Diagnostic Data, or select the highest diagnostic data option available on your version of Windows. After making the change, close the Settings window and restart your PC once again. When Windows starts, check the setting that was previously locked. Thanks for watching.